let's go over how to associate a coupon in WooCommerce with a Siren collaborator. First and foremost, this is not going to work unless you have a program that is associated with that collaborator that is using the coupon code used engagement tracking event. If the collaborator is not a part of a program that is using that tracking event, it's not going to work regardless of if you associate a coupon with them or not. So first things first, make sure you have a program that is set up that is actually using that tracking event. In my case, I do for both of my affiliates in my affiliate program. To create a coupon that is associated with a collaborator, we actually do this through WooCommerce. So we're going to hover over marketing and click coupons. Depending on how your WooCommerce is set up, this screen may look a little bit different, but the add coupon button will always be here. So click add coupon and you're going to name your coupon whatever you want it to be. In my case, I'm going to call it doing well because I have a guy named Brad Wellington as my fake collaborator. And this is totally a coupon code he would use. And then you can set up your coupon like you normally would. You could do a percentage, fixed cart, whatever works for you. I'm just going to do a $2 fixed cart discount. Then I'm going to assign it to a collaborator. You're going to select from this list to pick whichever collaborator you want. Start typing their name. And you'll see there it is, Brad Wellington. And we click publish. There we go. The coupon has been updated. So now you'll see if we click on collaborator that Brad Wellington is currently assigned to the Doing Well coupon. Let's see it in action. Go ahead and add a couple of beanies and a baseball cap and a hoodie to the cart. We're going to go add a coupon and type in Doing Well, apply. There we go. We see the $2 discount has applied. We're going to proceed to checkout. And then we're going to place the order. And there we go. The order has been received. So now this system has recognized our coupon, and that coupon was associated with Brad, which means that Brad should have gotten credit for that order. So let's go ahead and log in and see what it looks like. Now, if we go over to Siren conversions, you're going to see that a new conversion was created. Transaction 3. If we click on this transaction, we can see we can see the details of it. There we go. And here you can see that no obligation has been created yet. However, we do have a transaction of $91. And here's all the details, as well as that $2 discount. It's even being reflected inside of this transaction. Now, we just need to go into WooCommerce and make sure that this order is completed. And once we do that, it will mark it as paid in Siren, and we'll be able to actually see the obligation that was created for this record. Okay, so back over to Siren and in conversions, there we go. That sale is complete. Transaction 3, obligation 4. We click on that obligation, you're going to see that it did in fact associate with Brad Wellington. We haven't had a payout ID because we haven't actually created a fulfillment for this yet, but $13.65 for Brad. Good job, Brad. You're doing well after all.